Hello, I'm Brian Murray, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Dyaco Medical. Today, I'll be introducing our cutting-edge 8 Series medical systems, an innovative solution to accelerate the path to better health and recovery. The 8.5 UE upper body ergometer offers an accommodating, low startup resistance with an adjustable crank length, facilitating gentle, low-impact upper extremity exercises across a various ranges of motion. We also have adjustable seat, adjustable arm, adjustable console, and a lot of very cool new exciting programming. Our seat assembly has been designed for the ultimate in comfort and adjustability. We can have a forward and aft adjustment. We have a rotational adjustment 360 degrees, and also the seat back can recline to 40 degrees. The whole seat assembly also can be removed, goes right off the back very easily for wheelchair access and for standing exercises. The console's articulating arm provides a positioning system with a 360 degree rotation and a vertical tilting of 90 degrees for the console to accommodate a wide variety of patient heights. It also affords the therapist the ability to operate the console from the sides of the machine or the front of the machine to have optimal supervision and guidance. To streamline the setup process, our products offer various login options, including QR scanning, NFC, PIN code entry, or guest access, catering to diverse user preferences and security requirements, meeting GDPR and HIPAA compliance standards. For efficient exercise initiation, therapists can press the start button, either physically on the product or through the console interface to begin the workout without delay. The console pad features dedicated quick keys for adjusting the workloads, allowing therapists to conveniently modify these parameters during the exercise session, ensuring a tailored and challenging workout. Patients can easily adjust the resistance and start, pause, or stop the program by pressing the easy access keypad located on the front of the arm. Our electromagnetic braking system provides a smooth resistance with a wide range of delivered power to the hand cranks. The resistance has the ability to react instantly, which allows for various workload options of constant resistance, isokinetic speed control, and constant power. The 8.5 UE has a large range of resistance over 50 levels, starting at 5 watts all the way up to 1,000. We can go here, we can select the levels all the way up to 50. And then when we look at our diagram, we can see how much power is being generated in this view here. The built-in timer on the console serves as a user-friendly function, enabling therapists to set up a quick start program with countdown timer for warm-ups or short exercise sessions. The UBE's symmetry function measures and compares left and right power measurements throughout the crank arm revolution, enabling therapists to assess and address imbalances of strength in the patient's upper body. Our exclusive power distribution program allows us to measure power in the crank all the way around the revolution, 360 degrees. This allows us to measure your power during different ranges of motion and angles. At the end of the test, we provide data that shows your average power, which is the combination of your left and your right power. We then show a graphic representation of your power distribution with the various crank angles and how much power you're generating at each angle. We also provide data that shows the position in degrees and the exact numeric value of your power at the various angles of the crank revolution. Then at the bottom, we also provide a power curve to show your power curve as you did the test. The UBE's beacon feature utilizes 5 distinct colors to visually indicate heart rate levels, power, or workout progress like time. Also will indicate targets like calories and METs. This visual cue enables therapists to monitor multiple patients simultaneously, even from a distance across the room, ensuring timely intervention when necessary. Constant resistance, constant power, and constant speed resistance modes provide the therapist options for their patient's therapy session based on the patient's specific need and level of safety. The 3 different resistance modes are selectable whenever you enter a program. It gives you the option of speed or power or level. For accurate heart rate monitoring, the patient wears a comfortable wireless chest strap compatible with Bluetooth or AMP Plus technology. Proper strap placement is essential for optimal data transmission to the console. Our adjustable crank here allows us to accommodate patients from a limited range of motion of 15 degrees all the way up to full range of motion. The very simple adjustment lever locks in place stably and is easy to use. The arm also has an adjustment here for the vertical adjustment to allow it to go up and down, a very simple adjustment. Next, I'm going to introduce you to all of the new features, benefits, programs, and testing that we have incorporated into our new tablet consoles. The 8.5 UE has a lot of options when it comes to different programming. Here at the welcome page, this is where we would enter patient or user data, height, weight, and age. We have 3 categories of programs, and the categories are called patterns, which are standard fixed profile programs. We have targets, and we have tests. If we go to the programs, we have a hill, a plateau, a HIT program, and even a facility program, which is a fully customizable program. Then if we go to the target page, we're able to set a MET level target, calories, or heart rate. So here you would enter, for example, a heart rate. This is your age. We can go on an age-based heart rate. And this gives us a target heart rate to go by, which we can modify, and then how long we want the program to run for. The next set of programs are the tests. And in the test program for the UBE, we have a Conconi test, a steep ramp test, and then a Wingate power test, and then a unique power distribution test that we have exclusively. And this is going to measure your power all the way around the rotation of the crank, so we can see during your range of motion how much power you're able to exert.